In this video, I'll be showing you how to edit text in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's actually super easy to go ahead and do this. You can do it on literally any image you want and also any version of Photoshop. So what you want to do is on the left, you're going to see all your different tools. Go over to the text tool and you can change it if you want a horizontal type tool, vertical type tool, and you can even do mask tools as well. So we'll just stick with horizontal. And then all you got to do is drag your text tool and, you can put it to any space you want. So let's say you wanted to go ahead and, do something and just type anything specific, like we'll just do like and subscribe as an example. Then on the top, we can change the size of it. So let's just do 150 pt, and then you can even change it if you want like a different font or anything like that. There's so many different fonts you could go ahead and get, and you can also download different fonts as well if you wanted to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go ahead and find a specific font that I really, usually like and everything. So it's usually called Dimbo. So I'm going to go ahead and find that right now. And now once you've gone ahead and found it, this is what it currently looks like. But let's say I want to add some depth to it or anything like that. What I could do is go over to my text layer on the right, double click on it, and it's going to give me a lot of different controls. So I can add a stroke to it if I want to, where it basically means it's going to have an outline. So I could have something like this. I could add like bevel and emboss if I want to as well. I can add a shadow to it, an inner shadow or an outer shadow. You can also do a color overlay if you want it to be a specific color. There's honestly so many different things like drop shadows as well that you could go ahead and do that are really beneficial. And then, yeah, you could just have a lot of fun with it, to be honest. And it's going to be a lot of you can do so much with it, a lot of variations. And then, yeah, you'll be good to go.